I'm not going to order community service. I'm going to order 7 days on the work program. We recently reinstated our work program, counsel. Mr. Taylor is the guy that you're going to see about that. So when you're seeing him, tell Denise.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Mr. Denise, am I saying it right?
Sure.
Are you going forward today without an attorney?
Correct.
All right, let's see what we got. All right, I've got a misdemeanor in front of me. It says you're going to plead guilty.
Correct.
All right. You understand the possible penalty for that charge?
Yes.
You understand your rights and the options those rights present to you? And understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily today?
Yes, sir.
All right, on September 7, 2024, about 6 p.m., were you in Sumter Township?
Yes, sir.
And were you hunting?
No, sir, I was protecting livestock.
All right, then why are you pleading guilty to hunting without a license? That's like saying I'm guilty of drunk driving, but I wasn't drinking and I wasn't driving.
Because I can't afford to take off on work day.
That's not the way it works. I got to have a factual basis to accept the plea.
I killed the animal that was attacking the livestock.
Okay, what was it?
It was a turkey bird. Vulture. And I told the prosecutor it was a cow.
It was a who?
I
I don't even know what that is. What's a cowley? Coyote. But it wasn't a coyote.
It was a turkey vulture that was attacking the chicken, but it wasn't attacking the chicken.
Those are federally protected, aren't they?
Yes, sure. That's why he gave me a ticket for hunting without license.
Okay, the problem is I can't accept a guilty plea if you weren't hunting.
That's protecting my license.
So I understand your motivation.
Just want to get this done over with. Your Honor. I didn't know about the protective bird until I got there. They were helping me out. I gave me just hunting.
Yeah. No, I hear him. All right, here's what we can do. So if you plead no contest, what you're well, hold on. Do I have anything to accept a factual basis? I don't. Mohammed, you there? He's not back on yet? Well. Have a seat. Go see if Mohammed's got an incident report on this. I'm gonna see if I can figure out a way to get you out of here.
That's like we needed the ticket,
Probably true.
but what the ticket given out, just so you know.
Just has the charges, no remarks in it.
Oh, no.
Are we ready on Leonard? Come on up, counsel.
Ready?
Your appearance.
Morning, guys. Particularly bringing up your partner, Len. Hear that right? Len?
Good morning, Mr. Leonard.
Leonard, sorry. Do that to me all the time.
Yeah, the first name thing.
77302. Sir, can you say your name for the record? Partner Leonard. Thank you. Your Honor, today's the date and time set for probable cause conference in this matter. Did I have the opportunity to speak with the prosecutor? We have a resolution. Speak to the case here in district court. My client will be entering a plea to a misdemeanor with the understanding that 12-month probationary period that includes 40 hours of community, any other conditions court sees fit. Also, at sentencing, the full amount of restitution, which is $14,974. My client will be prepared to pay that. So I ask the court to accept this plea today.
Okay.
Question.
Okay. Is this a 1-year misdemeanor?
Yes.
Okay. Do you understand your rights and options after discussing same with counsel? All right. And you understand the possible penalty for the added charge, the reduced charge? Understanding all of that, are you pleading to that charge freely and voluntarily today? Counsel, would you voir dire for me? Get me the facts I need from 12/1/21 incident date?
Yes, sir, from December 1st of 2021 to July of 2022, were you an employee at Amazon?
Yes, I was.
And did you work at their facility on Ecorse Road here in Romulus?
Yes, I did.
And during that time, did you convert some property that was not yours from Amazon to yourself? didn't take it. And that property included various electronics.
Correct.
And you would agree that the value was, over $200?
Correct. You satisfied? So am I. So how much time do they need to scrape up the money? I'll give them a sentencing date after that.
I think it's ready to go, so I don't think we need a ton of time.
You got it today?
Not today, but,
All right.
soon. It doesn't have to be written up.
When's our next sentencing date?
That's right. Probably. 9 o'clock.
Yeah, we go a little further than that. I have like 3 hearings, I don't know.
November 21st, that gives them one.
November, no, I can't say it. November 21?
November?
Yeah,
Yep.
it'll be 1 p.m.
That's fine. I can find that. Yeah, that works. Thank you.
All right, November 21, 1 p.m.? Okay, and you're on a personal bond, so that's continued.
Thank you.
You're welcome, gentlemen. Oh, and I never said it for the record, but the felony's dismissed.
All right, we have one other thing as well. I'll do.
Okay. Are you ready? What is it? Mr. Green? Mr. Mohammed, do you have an incident report on that file?
I don't, and I understand the court's concern because I had the same one.
All right,
He advised me that he was defending his livestock. I said, no. Based on that, if it was me, I wouldn't do any plea. I would set this for a trial. And I told him I can't just take his word and go off of it. And he said he wants to get this resolved today. The only thing I can think of is a delayed sentence. And that's why I made it.
my problem is first words out of my mouth is, were you hunting on that date? And he said no.
Yeah.
And he wasn't. He was shooting. Is there such a misdemeanor as a reckless discharge of firearm? I thought there was.
I personally think it looks worse on the record. We can amend it to that and just keep it at a shorter term in regards to the delayed sentence, like.
I'm okay with any delay. I'm okay with a day. I don't care what the delayed sentence is if you want to give them a delayed sentence. I just need to have something I either have to have something I can look at to get the facts for a no contest plea, or I need a plea that factually he can tell me without lying. Give it some thought. Got a suggestion?
That is sort of, but. I'm not, that should
But
be.
then again, he wasn't acting disorderly, he was defending his livestock, so at least told me.
Or,
Then maybe it should just be dismissed.
The thing is I would just need to confirm, so I think we should adjourn it. I'll reach out to the officer, if he indicates what the defendant is saying is true.
Was this a DNR? Was it a DNR ticket or a local ticket?
It was, I don't know.
Yeah.
yeah.
DNR? Who was the officer? Was it Schobel?
Well, M. Lawrence.
Okay.
And I have a contact at, with the DNR officer, and I'll reach out to.
You know, we're going to try to take care of you today. We're going to try to take care of you today.
Let me see what I can.
And if we can't take care of you today and he's fairly confident he can get rid of it, then we'll give you a date and you won't have to come back. We'll try it that way. All right. So we're going to try to take care of you today. Yeah. Yeah. I got rules I got to follow, brother. I'm trying to help you out here. So just give me some time. All right. I'm sorry, counsel. Good morning, Mr. Green.
What?
Go ahead.
Morning, guys. That's great. Yeah, Mr. Green, and for, Peterson. Yeah, today's the date, time, some probable cause conference. We're trying to reach a resolution here and misdemeanor resolution. We don't have a number for restitution.
Okay. You want to just adjourn the PCC then?
Yes, we could.
How far out you want to go? Any Wednesday works for us, so whatever works best for you two.
Twenty-third.
All right, that'll be on Zoom with Judge Green. 8:45, 9:15, 9:45,
9:45.
What time, what day? October 20th?
October 23. and I will continue bond. And Mr. Green, we'll get you a paper notice for that date. You're welcome. Always a pleasure. We know what the back row people are here. Oh. Go ahead.
Your Honor, my name is Brandon. I currently have Randy Goulet. He's president of court standing to my right. Judge, please state your name for the record.
Thank you.
Your Honor, today's the time and date set for a probable cause conference. In this matter, I've been able to reach a negotiable settlement with the Wayne County Prosecutor's Office, by which the felony will be dismissed. My client will plead to an added charge of carrying, I think, failure to obtain a permit. Is that correct?
Obtaining a license or obtaining a pistol without a license, 750.232A.
He's going to tender that plea today. We are seeking an immediate sentence. I know that the prosecutor's office lists certain requirements of the reduction.
Well, let's talk about that. I don't like misdemeanor pleas that have requirements of the court. I like recommendations of the court. And I think I've had that conversation with Mr. Muhammad before, haven't
Yes, you have.
I? All right.
What is the code? 75.
750.232A. Go ahead.
I have no objection to you adding whatever you want to it.
Well, it's not that I'm going to add, I'm going to just ignore some of what he's got on here.
I'm okay with that too.
Well, I know you are. Mr. Muhammad, not on the camera.
Let me see if I can throw him in here.
He was in there something.
Yeah, he's in and out. Well, let's see what we can do. So, Mr. Goulet. Mr. Goulet, have you discussed your options and your rights with counsel?
He's in here. Yes.
All right. Mr. Muhammad.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning. On Mr. Goulet's file, just to clarify, the paperwork I've got with a sentence agreement, you understand I'm taking those as recommendations?
I understand, Judge.
Okay, that just want to clarify. Thank you. Go back to work. Appreciate
Thank
it. So you understand your rights and your options? You understand the possible penalty for this added charge, this reduction? Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily? Counsel, would you voir dire to get me the facts I need? September 17 is the incident date I'm looking at.
Mr. Goulet, the date that the judge just read into the record, were you in a vehicle? Yes. Did you have a weapon? Yes. That was your weapon, correct? Yes, it was. Were you in the city of Romulus? Yes. Were you in the state of Michigan? Yes. Did you have an encounter with the police? I did. Did the police then find that weapon? They did. Yes. And you did not have any sort of permit or any sort of legal ability to possess that weapon, is that correct? Yes. Your Honor, does that fulfill your, the factual basis as far as the court's concerned? I'm satisfied with it.
You did not have a license to purchase that pistol, correct? Okay, I'm satisfied. So what should I know about Mr. Goulet?
Your Honor, Mr. Goulet's in school. He is obviously standing before you. He has no criminal history. He was fully open and honest with the police.
Good.
When he was asked about reasons for having the weapon. His little brother was being harassed. I don't know if it was by gang members or people in his neighborhood. He felt like he needed protection. And this is, I'm taking this right from the police report.
Right.
From the police that he purchased the gun from a guy. He described the guy he purchased it from. You remember the exact day and the exact amount of money, $300. They worked hard to earn and purchase the gun. Obviously, there was legal ways for him to go about trying to purchase the gun. He also, part of the reason why the police were able to search his vehicle when they pulled him over was that he was driving on a learner's permit, albeit he didn't have an adult in the car. He had other kids that are friends of his and he went to school with in the car. And that was the reason why they were able to obviously place him under search the vehicle.
But they didn't write him for that.
But
They didn't write him for driving without a license.
they,
Okay.
and that was the basis of the stop, I think, was speeding.
Yep.
And they realized that he, didn't have a full license. And as the court knows, you can carry out application to prevent.
Yep.
Probably because they're charging him with a felony.
From local, but
Oh.
we charge them state and tickets haven't come.
Okay. All right. Heather just let me know that they're in the process of doing the civil infractions.
Okay.
All right.
Would they
All right.
be handled by the state? They'd be handled locally.
They'll be handled by the state.
Oh, I wish I could.
We were hoping that they would have got the right
Yeah.
time to put them together, but obviously we didn't.
Okay. So.
Yeah.
Standing before you, I know that, his father is a very nice man, hardworking man, and, trying to raise his family here. My client, as I indicated, doesn't have any criminal history.
Right.
No assault history, and he's done well. What school are you putting away?
My brother in my 18.
Sure. Where'd you go to high school?
I graduated from UC Lady High School this May.
What was your GPA?
About a 2.5 push. 2.5 push.
Probably should have been closer.
College classes kind of lowered them down. I had a college class I was doing the road while the high school was a little hard.
Okay. Was the GPA as high as it could have been, or did you slack off a little bit? Okay. And are you working too?
Yeah.
Where at?
Little seizures, Michigan now. I do a little side stuff too.
How many hours a week are you getting at Little Caesars?
I get 15 push,
All right. What are they paying you?
maybe 13 an hour.
Oh, man. Before you leave this building, I want you to go downstairs and ask to speak to Mr. Taylor. All right? You're living on Gulfview? That's where you live? He just told me today, he's got a notice from FedEx for a box shuffler in the warehouse, $17.50 an hour. So Mr. Taylor's got, he like gathers all the information from anybody in the location or in our area that's hiring people, like entry-level jobs. You can do better than 15 hours a week at $13 an hour. All right?
If I smell that right now, it wouldn't be.
Yeah, you probably don't even want to eat pizza anymore. All right. All right, so let's get back to sentencing. Is there anything you want me to know before I set the terms of sentence?
Again, I think standing before you, I think I've laid out, as much as I know about Mr. Goulet for the court. Obviously, this was something that there's a confluence of bad decisions.
Big mistake. And I learned from this for sure.
Listen to me. I applaud you for wanting to take care of family. I do. But you know, seriously, that kind of stupidity is what keeps us in business. I mean, I wish I had $1 for every 20-year-old kid I've seen in front of me that headed for prison because he had good intentions, just did not use his brain. Man, you're so lucky this is all you're here with. You probably already had that conversation with him.
No, we did.
Yeah.
And his dad did.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, this probably scared the hell out of Dad. Yeah.
This is he actually told me he was sitting outside. I kept sending him into your courtroom when I went to speak to the prosecutor. I came back out. I'm like, you're not sitting in the courtroom. And he's told me that he's never actually been inside a courtroom. So he wanted to come in with me.
Right.
Wasn't sure what was going to happen.
This is a scary fact scenario, that's for sure. All right. Anything else? Okay. All right. I'll go along with the prosecutor. I'll sentence you to 12 months on probation. The obvious condition is no more criminal offenses. So for 12 months, walk the straight and narrow. I'm not going to order community service. I'm going to order 7 days on the work program. We recently reinstated our work program, counsel. Mr. Taylor's the guy that you're going to see about that. So when you're seeing him, tell him Oakley said, talk to you about a job, right? Forfeit the pistol as per the agreement with the prosecutor's office.
But I was going to ask, I don't want to step on toes.
You can push your luck.
I was going to ask about 771.
I'll be happy to do that, but I'm not going to do it without prosecutor signing off on it.
I asked him about it, and obviously you
Yeah.
gave my client an outstanding deal.
Yep.
I understand that, so I'll back off.
Okay. All right. So 12-month probation, stay out of trouble, 7 days on the court work program, forfeit the pistol, court costs $600.
We'll have time to pay that,
You
Judge.
can work all that out downstairs. No, I don't even want to do, no, I'll do non-reporting probation.
Thank you.
Now, I'm going to suggest something to you. Mr. Taylor could be a real good guy to put in your phone. So you might want to stop in periodically and see Mr. Taylor and see what's going on with the jobs in the area and stuff like that. I'm not going to make you report to probation. It might be a good idea for you to voluntarily stay in touch with him. All right?
Thanks, Judge.
Good luck.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Always a pleasure.
Climate in here is much nicer than last time I was here.
I don't remember.
I mean, it was freezing.
Oh, that was probably her fault.
I think I came, I think it was winter, and you're, Mr. Freeman, why are you wearing a trench coat still? Can't handle the weather.
Well, you know, I was wearing this in my office the other day because I just couldn't get things regulated.
Very good.
All right. Questions? You're all set. You're welcome.
Thank you.
She'd been here that long and they said that, we just gotta give the victim time to come in. And now it's 11:15 and they're just still. I think we've had them coming. Already.
You got something ready?
No, I just realized I wrote down the wrong date for the Williams trial that we said last, just a little bit.
Williams is November 13th,
Pre-trial.
8:45.
Thank you. I went out there, talked to him, told him. I said, go downstairs, tell probation, I sent you down there, and she was open. They want some suspicious person or something. They got there, he was passed downstairs on the ground next to the truck.
How's Amy?
Doing anything?
I wish. Waiting for files.
Waiting to?
Yeah.
I'm sick.
Which one are you on?
Bonnesator.
Oh, that's,
They just got here.
are they here?
Yeah, they're here now.
Well, I get a subpoena on Monday or today. And I'm like, told Mohammed, I said, I have literally a Zoom doctor's appointment at noon. So you better meet me on right now.
Yeah.
You know how far out it
Yeah, no,
takes to
Brianna wants to get it done sooner because she's been here.
Yeah.
She was asking if we could do it sooner and I'm like, I know at 11 o'clock one way, it just depends on when they bring them in, everybody's here.
Well, yeah, I think he's around or something.
Yeah, we've had trouble because it's at Washington.
Yeah.
And you hear what's going on with Wayne County?
No.
Their computers are down, so we got 4 in custody. We can't even put them on a Zoom.
Oh, no.
Have you heard any horror stories about that new? I've heard nothing but horror stories on that whole place. From the jail, from the courtrooms.
Really?
They got cells down there that have electrical outlets in them.
They do.
I told you that, didn't I?
I'll take a vacation down there, bring my phone, my iPad. Plug in your microwave.
I was talking to one of the circuit court judges a couple of weeks ago, and it's like,
They got one bathroom for the jurors. So if you tell 14 people we're into the bathroom break, this is what they found is the jurors are going to the employee bathroom because they don't want to stand around and wait. So they got employees and jurors use the same bathroom. I said, so there's no such thing as a 10-minute bathroom break. Is it a half-hour minimum?
Design it. One bathroom.
Yeah. For 14 people.
Right, that's insane.
Well, it's a green, because you don't have as many flushes.
yeah, exactly.
Oh,
Exactly. Undoubtedly, it's great.
But just, and the other thing is, there's no back hallways. So like here, if I want to go see Judge Green or Judge Martin, I can walk back.
Right,
Or actually, I can see anybody in the building
right,
without going out into the public.
right.
Not down there.
You
Well,
just,
I was just doing it.
so you gotta go out here.
The,
down there.
interview room.
If it wasn't the old building.
Yeah.
Somebody.
Yeah, yeah.
Either I had to go outside.
Mill them out.
Outside, or I had to go in the main hall. Which was, that was bad enough, but that was designed in the seventies. Security
Right, that wasn't.
was doors that,
Right. Yes.
no, but it's obvious there was no input from anybody judicial
Right,
or court. I mean, Jesus, just have some court officers sitting on the design phase.
Even sort of get back. I mean, their offices are there, aren't they?
Yep.
I mean, you have to, they're walking around.
I've never seen anybody in the hallway
Yeah, so
out
they
there
have
like that.
You wouldn't have thought they went over to the new building?
So what are you supposed to do with these people that you can't zoom in on?
Have those journals?
They have, you know.
Yeah.
You dump stuff. All right, well,
Allegedly.
I'm gonna hop out here and allegedly, yes, sir. Try to,
Yeah, I'm ready. I mean, as you can see, I'm just ready for work.
hopefully,
Yep.
where you going?
Get ready to. Salt water.
Heather, don't feel bad that Joe's eating in front of us.
What?
I said, don't feel bad that Joe's eating in front of us. In the sanctity of the courtroom. You feel the low sugar?
I don't usually wait for it. I have a, orange if you'd like one.
Morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. What do we have?
Wait for House Counsel.
Okay. He'll be in eventually.
See, I am sorry for that. Yeah, I can't remember that.
He was probably right behind you when you started. Sir, what is your name?
Harold,
Somebody else has got the file for this one, Joe. I don't have a file for anybody named Carlos, Mr. Bowdet.
Valdez.
I gave that file up. Mom, and he's got the file.
Get it. Yo, did you, sign this?
All right, well, well, first of all, ma'am, your name.
Ines Ucros, INES, Ucros, UCROS.
And Ms. Usgrove, raise your right hand. Do you swear to accurately translate between English and Spanish and English so that the gentleman and all of us can discuss this matter?
Yes, I do.
All right, thank you. Counsel, put your name on the record.
Your Honor, for the record, Jeffrey about 45367. Bermuda, Valdez. Your Honor, I would promise the court, we do have an executed plea. For proof or absent paperwork from the clerk. The executed plea is, Mr. Valdez was guilty to the misdemeanor, of having an improper license designation. He didn't have a CDL. It was a temporary task that the boss gave him, but he didn't have the right designation. He normally drives a regular, his boss asked him to drive a truck trailer that would have required a different license designation.
Okay.
Presently does have a valid Illinois license. He's in the process of deciding whether to relocate here or not. The other civil infraction, Your Honor, of having a safety violation would be dismissed.
Okay. Sir, have you discussed your rights with Mr. Bowditch?
Yes.
Do you understand your rights and the options they give you?
Las opciones que le dieron. Yes.
Do you understand the possible penalty for this charge?
¿Cuál es la posible multa que puede usted obtener por este cargo? Los castigos que puede obtener por este cargo. I don't know.
Up to $500 fines
Este es hasta una multa de $500.
plus court costs
Los costos del tribunal.
and up to 90 days in jail. Those are the possible penalties. I'm not planning on jail time.
Estas son las posibles castigos de los que van a llevar a la cárcel por eso.
Do you understand those rights? Understanding those rights and the possible penalty, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily today?
Entonces, entendiendo los castigos y entendiendo cuáles son los cargos, usted está declarando culpable de este cargo. Yes.
Did you drive a vehicle on September 3rd, 2024
Usted tuvo un vehículo automotor en septiembre 3 del 2024. Yes.
in Van Buren Township, Belleville, and 94?
En el condado de Van Buren en la 94 con.
Belleville Road?
Thank you. Sí. Yes.
And were you driving a vehicle that required a CDL license?
Y usted estaba manejando una licencia de conducción un vehículo que no requería una licencia de conducción con un permiso en particular.
Sí.
Yes.
Did you have a CDL license?
Ese tipo de licencia de conducción.
No.
No.
I'm satisfied if you are. I will accept the guilty plea to the misdemeanor and dismiss the civil infraction.
Bueno, no voy a aceptar el cargo de culpabilidad sobre el delito menor y voy a designar la inhabilitación.
Sentencing today appropriate?
Yes, Your Honor.
El otorgar sentencia. Yes.
Who do you work for?
Aquí trabaja usted. The name of it is Jimmy Roofing, is the name of the company.
And how long have you been employed with Jimmy Roofing?
2 years.
Okay. Anything else I should know?
No, Your Honor, I've seen his Illinois license. It's valid until the end of this year. He's thinking about which state he's gonna live in.
No.
Normally, he drives a regular vehicle, he's regularly licensed.
Okay.
This was, his boss was sick or something, he drove the vehicle and it was improper.
Is there anything you want me to know before I sentence you?
Usted quiere que yo sepa antes de que yo imponga la sentencia.
So, queríamos remover solo en la ocasión.
The only thing that I want you to know is that I do not drive that type of vehicle on an everyday basis. It was just on that occasion.
Okay. All right. Fines and costs are $200. Can you pay that today?
Las costos de multa son de $200. ¿Puede usted pagar esto el día de hoy? Yes.
All right, you're all set. Would you stick with him through the cashier process?
Sure, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Dice de okay, I don't think the question.
What do you got?
I have Mr. Abdul Carr.
I have it, Judge.
Yep. All right, your appearance for Mr. Aldufar.
Your Honor, for the record, Jeffrey Bowden is appearing on behalf of and with the defendant who's approaching. Your Honor, he is with his son, translate for him in this simple matter.
What does this say? Any idea? Officer's life?
Absolutely. And the price to be determined.
Can't, officers can't contact. Especially that was.
And what's your name?
My name is Had Hussein Abdullah.
Raise your right hand for me. What's the language? All right. Do you swear or affirm to accurately translate between English and Arabic and English so your dad and all of us can discuss this matter?
Yes.
Would you let him know what we just talked about? Go ahead and tell him what we just said.
And just tell the judge's name.
Thank you. Go ahead.
Paul,
That's all right. Go ahead.
he's made time set for a pretrial. Tell him what I said. We have an executed plea agreement subject to court approval. See, you got this, you just interpret, you got to tell him everything I say, everything he's. In that agreement, Your Honor, the defendant will plead guilty to the charge of failure to report an accident with the understanding the original charge of leaving be dismissed. This was simply a matter where it was near the airport and he hit a light pole. We haven't been able to contact anyone as far as restitution. Prosecution, I believe that could be a civil matter if anybody's going to be chased. But as of right now, there is no restitution on record.
Sir, do you understand your rights and options after discussing those with Mr. Bowditch? Yes, he understands his rights?
Yeah.
You understand the possible penalty for fail to report?
Thank you very much.
You understand that?
Yeah.
Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty to fail to report an accident?
Great.
Did you drive a vehicle at the airport on August 27, 24? Were you involved in an accident? Did you report that accident as required by law?
He failed to do that, but the officer did shoot up after.
The officer,
Did shoot up after.
yeah, okay. Are you satisfied?
I'm set.
I'll dismiss the fail to stop causing property damage accident.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Anything I should know before I set the terms of sentence?
Your Honor, this is the ninth of a decade.
Okay. Any idea what his traffic record looks like? You probably haven't seen it.
This is driving.
Yes.
You're.
Yes.
Fines and costs, $300. Can you pay that today, sir?
Value.
Yes.
Okay. I causing property damage accident.
A routine traffic stop turned into a life-changing courtroom moment
Thank you.
after a young man
You're
admitted
welcome.
illegally possessing
Anything
a
I should know
handgun
before I
without
set
a
the terms
permit.
of sentence?
Although he told the court he bought the gun to protect his younger brother from neighborhood threats,
Okay.
the judge made it clear that
Any
good
idea what his traffic
intentions
record looks like?
could never justify
You probably haven't
breaking
seen
the
it.
law. Calling the decision stupidity, the judge warned that countless young people with similar excuses had ended up in prison. Instead of sending
Fines
him
and
to
costs,
jail,
$300.
the judge gave him one final chance. 12 months of probation, a work program,
Can you pay that
forfeiture of
today,
the
sir?
firearm, and a clear warning to stay out
Okay.
of trouble.